Hello students, welcome to the second video of Science Class 8 Chapter 10 Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Students, in the first video of this chapter, we have discussed about the adolescence and puberty, and we have also discussed about the changes at puberty. And in today's video, we are going to understand the secondary sexual characteristics. So let us start. Students, first of all, let us know about the secondary sexual characters. The physical features which help distinguish the male from the female are called secondary sexual characteristics. The secondary sexual characters of boys are they begin to grow facial hairs, mustache and beard, and the hairs also begins to grow on the chest, underarms and the region above the high or the pubic region. And the secondary sexual characters in females or in girls are the breasts start to develop and enlargement of hips also take place, and the hair begin to grow on the chest, under the arms and the region above the thigh and the pubic region. Students, these changes which occur at the adolescence are controlled by hormones. The physical growth, metabolism and the changes which occur in the body during adolescence are controlled by chemical regulators secreted by endocrine glands or ductless glands. Students, let us know about the hormones in detail. The chemical regulators secreted by ductless glands are called hormones. Hormones are the chemical substances which coordinate the activities and growth of living beings including us. Students, these hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands releases hormones directly into the bloodstream. That is why these are called ductless glands. Other glands such as sweat glands, oil glands and salivary glands release hormones through ducts. These glands are called exocrine glands. Some of the glands of our body like pancreas, testis and ovary function both as endocrine glands as well as exocrine glands. Students, once the puberty is reached, the following hormones become active. In males or in boys, the male hormone or testosterone begins to released by the testes at the onset of puberty, and the growth of facial hairs, deep voice and hairs on the chest also start to develop. The male hormone or testosterone begin to be released by the testes. The testosterone hormone helps to the development of secondary sexual characteristic in boys. In girls, ovaries begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen which makes the breast develop, and the milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. Students, now let's revise what we have learned today. Question 1. Name the male hormones. Option A, estrogen, B, testosterone, C, progesterone, D, none of these. And the right answer is B, testosterone. Question 2. Primary sex organ is A, ovary, testis, B, uterus, seminal vesicle, C, breast, beard, D, spermatic cord. And the right answer is A, ovary, testis. Question 3. The functional unit of testis of man is A, uriniferous tubules, B, Malpighian tubules, C, seminiferous tubules, D, acne or tubules. And the right answer is C, seminiferous tubules. Question 4. Hormones are A, organic substances, B, inorganic substances, C, chemical substances, D, biological substances. And the right answer is C, chemical substances. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screens. Students, we will be present soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.